On behalf of the Rwanda Defense Force, I wish to convey our sincere appreciation to the Qatari Armed Forces for their unwavering support and enduring partnership. We are particularly grateful for the deployment of your highly skilled trainers. Readiness in today's environment requires not only robust institutions, but well-trained personnel, capable to responding decisively to a wide range of threats. It is within this context that we deeply value the bilateral cooperation with the armed forces we cooperate with, as it continues to promote mutual benefits and shared commitment in addressing evolving security dynamics.